Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to modify shipment attributes for a load in dispute as an auditor. As the DL Freight platform is a permission-based platform, there are some shipment attributes that carriers are unable to modify, such as the equipment type or trailer type code for a shipment. Carriers can raise disputes requesting auditors to modify these attribute fields. Auditors have the ability to modify load attributes that carriers cannot modify. The following steps I'll illustrate to you how to modify these disputed attribute fields. Please use these guidelines in resolving the various different dispute types that you may encounter. My screen right now displays the shipment list for this sample carrier. I'm going to filter out the list first for those in dispute. I'm going to select the first disputed record ending in 3859. I'm clicking into the details for the shipment. Within the load detail view, scroll to the bottom of the view to the Activities and Comments History section. Within the Activities and Comment History section, you're able to see any context that you may need to know to resolve this dispute that's been raised by the carrier. In this particular example, the carrier has left a message that states, "This load requires a heated trailer. Please change the trailer type code to HTRV." I'm scrolling up to the detailed view of the load, and you can see that the trailer type code that's listed for here is dry V. To edit the attributes of the load, I'm going to scroll to the top and I'm going to click on the Edit Asset Attribute button, pencil icon. Clicking that button brings up the Update Instance list. This allows the auditor to edit any of the fields that are available for the shipment. In this particular example, we're going to edit the trailer type code. And we're going to change the value from dry V to HTRV. In this example, the value can be changed by clicking on the drop-down. From the drop-down screen, we're going to select HTRV to select the heated trailer type code. Click on the Update button to save any changes that you've made to the attributes of this load. We can scroll down to the Activities and Comments History section to see any impacts that the change may have made to the invoice of the load. In this example, changing the trailer type to a heated trailer adds a heat charge to the shipment. The heat charge for this carrier is 10% of the line haul. The Activities and Comment History displays the attribute change as well as any other calculation impacts in a tabular format. Once your updates to the load attributes are complete, to close and resolve the dispute, click on the Resolve Dispute button in the upper right corner. Clicking on the Resolve Dispute button will open up the Resolve Dispute pop-up, displaying the details in the original dispute. Enter in any resolution notes into the space provided and click on the Resolve button to resolve the dispute. After resolving the dispute, the following changes will be made to the load. The invoice status will be set back to the status that the load was prior to going into dispute. In this case, the invoice status has changed from in dispute to not ready for payment. Additionally, you will notice in the bar at the top that the auditor role has now disappeared. Additionally, any comments that were made by the auditor will be tracked in the Activities and Comment History section.